Hello dear students, in this video we will continue with the integrations, and now we have come to the method of integrations. We have already seen standard formulas, that is the elementary integrations. Now here I will start with the method of integration. Basically there are three methods of integration. Number one, integration by transformation. Second, integration by substitution. And third one is integration by parts. So what we do over here in the integration by transformation, in integration by substitution, in integration by parts, we will transfer these integration into the standard integration so that we can apply the standard formulas. Okay, how to transfer, that is important. What to substitute, that is important, and here comes the different kind of difficulties. Matlab, in every problem you have to think about what kind of transformation we need over here, what kind of substitution we need over here, and like that. And because of that, the sometimes students feel difficulty in the integrations. Okay, so here are some examples, basic examples you can go through. That the first one is integration of x square by 1 plus ka x square. See, the integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square I can find out because I know this is the standard integrations. But they have asked the integration of first problem, x square upon 1 plus x square ka dx. If it is simply 1 upon 1 plus x square dx, our standard integration, and that is tan inverse of x plus ka c. But here, what is there? X square. So, now how to integrate this? Okay, so for that, I have to make some transformation. What is that? If I add 1 and subtract 1, so this is, now you can take, this is 1 and another one is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. So this is what? 1 ka dx minus integration of 1 upon 1 plus x ka dx, 1 plus x square ka dx. See, x square plus 1 divided by 1 plus x square, that is 1. Okay, 1 dx minus 1 upon 1 plus ka x square. So now it is x minus ka tan inverse x plus ka c. So in that way we make the transformation. But there are so many transformations according to the questions. Okay, not only one kind of transformation. So many transformations. Means you are now required your own basic knowledge of algebra. Every knowledge of trigonometry, trigonometric identities, algebraic identities, and all those knowledge here you require to solve the integrations. So come to the second one. What is the second one? Second one is x square minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square dx. So this is x square plus 1. So minus 1 hai, therefore this is minus 2. 1 plus ka x square dx. So similarly, here it is 1 dx minus ka 2 upon 1 plus x square ka dx, correct? So this is x minus 2 tan inverse of x plus c. So while doing this kind of problems, you have to understand what kind of transformation we required. Okay, now can you tell me here in the third one, what kind of transformation? This is x ki power 4 divided by 1 plus x square. How to do that? Again I can add and subtract, correct? 1. So this is the third one. Third one is what? Third one is integration of x ki power 4 1 plus x square ka dx. So I will add 1 and subtract 1. 1 plus x square dx. Now x ki power 4 plus 1 I cannot combine. I will combine with x ki power 4 minus 1 so that I can factorize that. So therefore here 1 upon 1 plus x square dx, one integration, which is standard integration, and this is x की power 4 minus 1, 1 plus x square. So this is tan inverse of x. Now I can factorize this as x square plus 1 into x square minus ka 1. So this is 1 plus x square. So that will get cancelled out, and then I can easily integrate that x square minus 1. So this is what tan inverse ka x minus ka x cube by 3 minus minus plus ka x and plus c. This is your integration. Integration of x square is x cube by 3. Integration of 1 is x minus minus plus. Okay. So I hope that you people are now understanding the method of transformation. Now come to the fourth one, very interesting. Now here we are using the trigonometric transformation. Okay, trigonometric transformation. How to do that? See, this is the integration of sec square x into cosec square x का dx. I know the formula, integration of sec square x dx, that is tan x. I know the formula, integration of cosec square dx, that is minus cot x. But here they have asked integration of sec square x into cosec square x ka dx. So how to do that? Okay, first of all we will write down it as a 1 upon cos ka square x into sin ka square x dx. Now I can solve this integration in two ways. That is important. See, this 1 can be written as sin ka square x plus cos ka square x. Cos ka square x sin ka square x dx. So therefore now it is 1 upon cos square x ka dx plus 1 upon sin square x ka dx, which is standard formulas, correct? This is integration of sec square x का dx, integration of cosec square x का dx, correct? तो फाइनली इसका आंसर हो जाएगा tan x माइनस का cot x प्लस का c, correct? Okay. Now coming to the second one, second way, if I multiply this and divide by 4, this becomes 4 by 4 cos square x sin square x का dx, correct? So this is what 4 तो बाहर आ गया 1 upon sin square of 2x dx, correct? 1 upon sin square of 2x dx. So this is what 4 into 1 upon, so this is cosec square of 2x का dx. So this is 4 into cosec square x integration is minus का cot x, तो minus cot of 2x, so divided by 2, this is minus 2 cot of 2x plus का c. So I can integrate in these two ways. As I already explained that the integration is gives many answers. Okay, in fact there is a class of function whose derivative is this integrand, correct? So therefore I can have the answers which looks like different. In fact any two answers always differ by the constant, but the shape of the answer, the format of the answer, you can see in a different way, correct? Okay, let's do some more problems. Now let's solve these two questions. Okay, I have given options for this question number 6. This is in fact the multiple choice variety questions. Okay, you will enjoy this question. Okay, and the similar question is this one, fifth one, the integration of x square plus sin square x divided by 1 plus x square into cosec square x dx. ठीक है सर? Then how to do that? So here again x square 1 plus x square, therefore I have to make this transformation 1 plus x square plus का sin square x minus का 1 plus 1 minus 1. this is 1 plus x square into का sec square x का dx. So this is what, ये एक हो जाएगा into sec square x, तो simply sec square x standard integration, and this is minus 1 minus का sin square x, this is 1 plus का x square into का sec square x dx. Correct. So this is cos square x, this is sec square x, that will get cancelled out. Correct. Correct. So therefore I have remained with sec square x integration, that is tan of x minus integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square tan inverse of x plus का c. Correct. Correct. Okay, fine. Now coming to this sixth question. Here the similar question, but you will get the two answers. Yeah, here also I can write down the two answers, no problem with that. Let's see. Question number 6. 6 1 says that the integration of x square plus cos ka square 1 plus x square, and this is what, cosec square x ka dx. Correct. Again same process, 1 plus x square plus cos square x minus का 1, this is 1 plus x square cosec square x का dx. Correct. So this is one factor multiplied by cosec square x का dx, standard integration, माइनस लेंगे 1 minus cos square x upon 1 plus x square into cosec square का x. Again same चीज, cosec square x integration standard, that is minus का cot x, and this 1 minus cos square x is sin square x into का cosec square x, that will be 1. Simply integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square, that is का minus का tan inverse x plus का c. So what is there? The answer is minus cot x minus tan inverse x, not there. Okay, so what to do? Now see the options. Okay, here comes the knowledge of inverse trigonometry. This can be written as pi by 2 minus का cot inverse x plus का c. So this is minus का cot x, correct, and this is plus का cot inverse x minus का pi by 2 plus का c. This is again a new c. Correct. So minus cot x plus cot inverse x plus का c is your option. Hold on. Can we see any other options? Also the answer of this question. See the third one, minus tan inverse x. Here it can be written as minus का tan inverse x, and minus cot x can be written as cos x upon sin x. Correct. Cos x upon sin x. This 1 upon sin x can be written as cosec x, and cosec x can be written as 1 upon sec x. So therefore this answer is also correct. Correct. Let's see more problems. Now coming to this problem number 7, we have gone through the problem 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now we understand what is in fact the method of transformation, correct, to solve the integrations. So every knowledge what we learned so far in the algebra, in the trigonometry, algebraic identities, trigonometric identities, and all those knowledge required over here, and that depends upon the problem, which kind of problems is that is the, we are integrating what kind of function and what kind of transformation we need. That is totally depends upon your knowledge. See here, integration of dx upon x की power 4 plus x cube. Okay, not is a standard integration, it is not. Okay, and it is already given, the answer must be in this format only, that is a upon x square plus b upon x plus log of x upon x plus 1 plus का c. Okay, then we have to find out a b c. ठीक है सर, तो how to do that? सबसे पहले दिस इज व्हाट dx अपॉन x की पावर 4 प्लस का x क्यूब. नाउ how to do that? What kind of transformation required over here? That is the question. First of all, I can see that I can take common. Okay, I can take common x cube, that is x plus 1. This is the first one. Now dx means 1 ka dx. So therefore x plus 1, here 1. Now I can say that I can add x and subtract x. So this becomes x plus 1 minus ka x. This transformation now I can understand very easily, so that I can have two different integrations. So x plus 1 will get cancelled. So I can simply integrate x की power minus cube का dx, and then this is minus of x upon x cube. x upon x cube, x upon x cube मतलब 1 upon x square 1 plus x का dx. See, this is what प्लस 1 करेंगे तो माइनस 2. सो माइनस 2 डिवाइडेड बाय माइनस 2, तो दिस इज माइनस 1 अपॉन 2 का एक्स स्क्वेयर. सी, ए का वैल्यू यू कैन नाउ फाइंड आउट. ए इज माइनस 1/2. सो ए इज माइनस 1/2. आइदर ये ऑप्शन होगा या ए ऑप्शन होगा. दीज ऑप्शंस आर रॉन्ग. करेक्ट. ओके, a equal to minus 1/2. Correct. Now coming to here. Here also we have to integrate, because I know that in the answer there will be this type of terms. Correct. The similar concept I can use over here. 1 plus x, 1 is there. So therefore plus 1 and minus x. Correct. X square 1 plus x ka dx. Now I hope that it is very easy to understand the method of integration. Correct. So therefore this is what minus 1 upon 2x square is okay. This is 1 plus x, 1 plus x. So integration of 1 upon x square, so minus integration of x की power minus 2 का dx. This minus minus become plus, and integration of this x will get cancelled out here. So this is what 1 upon x into 1 plus x का dx. Correct. So far we have used the transformation two times. Similar kind of transformation, that is plus x and minus x. Two times we have used, and here also we have to use one more times. Correct. So three times the transformation required. This is minus 1 upon 2x का square. Correct. And this is x की power minus 2 मतलब minus 1. So minus of minus plus 1 upon x. So here b equal to 1. So b equal to 1, that means your answer is this one. A is equal to minus 1/2 and b is equal to 1. Now what about this? That will be very easily possible. I can write directly also. This is what 1 upon x minus 1 upon 1 plus x. By partial fraction I can write down this, because 1 plus x minus x will be 1 and multiplication will come here, and this can be the integration. So this is what minus 1 upon 2x square plus ka 1 upon x, and this is log of plus log of x divided by 1 plus x. log की मैंने प्रॉपर्टी भी लगा दी, and of course plus का c. I hope that this problem can be understand very easily. No problem with that. Let's see more examples. Now coming to the transformation by rationalization and by factorization. I said that all the basic knowledge of algebra, all the basic knowledge of trigonometry, the process we followed there in trigonometry, means all those knowledge required over here to solve the integrations, and that depends upon the questions, what kind of question they are asking in integration and what kind of transformation required. For example, here integration of dx upon square root of x plus square root of x plus 1. There is no standard formula to solve this. Okay, so therefore we require to transport it into the standard one. And how we can do that? Here I can simply rationalize. तो रेशनलाइज करूँगा तो रूट एक्स माइनस का रूट ऑफ एक्स प्लस वन मल्टीप्लाइड एंड डिवाइड करेंगे तो एक्स माइनस का एक्स प्लस वन का डी एक्स, सिंपल. सो व्हाट इज दैट? दिस इज minus minus cancel, x minus minus 1, so therefore this minus will become plus, that is root of x plus 1 का dx माइनस का इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ रूट x का dx, बिकॉज यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में -1 हो जाएगा, माइनस को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. नाउ आई कैन इजीली अप्लाई दिस x की पावर n का फार्मूला. सो दिस इज व्हाट x प्लस वन की पावर 1 प्लस 1/2, दैट इज 3/2 एंड मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2/3. This is x की power 3/2 and multiplied by 2/3 and plus c. So this is the transformation using rationalization, correct? So all those problems which are depends upon the transformation by rationalization is quite simple, okay? So now coming to this one, this is important. What is that? The transformation by using the factorization, by using algebraic identities, that is very important. See here in this question, what is that? Integration of 1 minus root x 1 plus x की power 1/4. See x की power 1/4 and this is x की power 1/2. So therefore this can be factorized now by using a plus b into 1 minus, this is 1 minus x की power 1/4 into 1 plus x की power 1/4. That will be 1 minus x की power 1/2 by using the a plus b into a minus b. So this is okay, that will get cancelled out, fine. So therefore integration of 1 dx minus का integration की power x की power 1/4 का dx, that's it. This is x की power में 1/4 plus 1 5/4, 5/4, तो this is 4/5 plus का c, correct? Got it? Now here come to the bigger one, the question number 10th. Okay, the 10th one is this is integration of, see I can take x common from here and that x will come out of the root x, so that root x will be okay. So this is what 1 plus x plus का root x, करेक्ट. यहाँ से मैंने x बाहर लिया, वो भी रूट से, तो दिस इज व्हाट स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1 प्लस एक्स डिवाइडेड बाई रूट एक्स प्लस का 1 प्लस एक्स का dx. नाउ फ्रॉम दीज टू आई कैन टेक रूट एक्स कॉमन, करेक्ट. सो दिस इज 1 प्लस रूट एक्स इंटू, करेक्ट, रूट एक्स बाहर गया तो यहाँ बचेगा रूट एक्स, यहाँ बचेगा प्लस का 1 प्लस एक्स and here root x square root of 1 plus x का dx. So there are two integrations now, okay. First one is 1 upon, this is 1 upon root x plus 1 plus root x dx. This integration can be solved by using the rationalization, correct. And this is simply, this factor will get cancel out, so I will remain with root x का dx. That is very simple. So here again this is what integration of root x minus 1 plus x, this is x minus 1 plus x का dx and plus का 2/3 x की power 3/2 and of course plus c, correct. This integration अभी हमने किया है, x minus x will get cancelled, माइनस होएगा, so therefore that is equal to here I am writing, okay, integration of square root of 1 plus x का dx minus का integration of root x का dx and already this is 2/3 x की power 3/2. So this is 1 plus x की power 3/2 into 2/3 minus का 2/3 x की पावर 3/2 प्लस का 2/3 x की पावर 3/2, that will get cancelled out. We are remain with 2/3 1 plus x की पावर 3/2 and plus c, करेक्ट. एक और प्रॉब्लम देखते हैं जो ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. So we have understood the method of transformation, what kind of transformation is required, and rationalization, factorization, trigonometric transformations, all those things. Okay, next lecture we will do with the transformation on a trigonometry. Okay, so here this is the important question, that is if f of x equal to 3x square plus 1 x square minus 1 ka cube dx, and f of 0 equal to 0, then we have to find out the mod of 18 f of 2, numerical variety type questions, correct? How to do that? Okay, now see here, the fx is integration of 3x square plus ka 1 and x square minus 1 ka cube. So very straightforward, I can see that this x square minus 1 can be factorized, correct? So this is 3x square plus 1, this is x plus 1 ka whole cube into x minus 1 ka whole ka cube, correct? And also we know that the algebraic identities, what is that? X plus 1 ka whole cube is x cube plus ka 3x square plus ka 3x plus ka 1, and x minus 1 ka whole cube, this is x cube minus ka 3x plus ka 3x minus ka 1. And when we add these two, I will get, what I will get? X plus 1 का whole cube plus का x minus 1 का whole cube. ऐड करेंगे या सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे? सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो दिस विल गेट कैंसल आउट, दिस विल गेट एडिशन, दिस विल गेट कैंसल आउट, दिस विल एड. तो देयरफॉर आई विल रिमेन विथ 6x स्क्वायर प्लस का 2, दैट इज 2 बाहर निकालेंगे तो 3 का x स्क्वायर प्लस का 1. आई वांट दिस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस का 1. So therefore 3x square plus का 1 is x plus 1 का whole cube minus x minus 1 का whole cube divided by 2. See, first we did the factorization, and after factorization I come to know that the algebraic identity x plus 1 का whole cube is this one, x minus 1 का whole cube is this one, and when we subtract this from this, I will get 3x square plus 1 like that. Okay, so therefore now this integration is, here I am writing, this integration is half, this is what, x plus 1 ka whole cube minus x minus 1 ka whole cube divided by x plus 1 ka cube into x minus 1 ka cube ka dx, correct? Now it is very easily integrable. Half integration of, what is that? X plus 1 का whole cube will get cancel out, तो x minus 1 की power minus 3 dx, and this is minus half integration of, this will get cancel out, so therefore x plus 1 की power minus 3 का dx. So this is what, half x minus 1 की power में minus 2 divided by minus 2, correct? This is minus half x plus 1 की पावर में minus 2 divided by minus 2. Okay, fine. And of course plus का c ना, plus का c, correct? Now we have to determine c. So f of 0 is 0 when x equal to 0. So 0 equal to x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 minus 1 का पावर कुछ भी करेंगे तो 1 आएगा, तो दिस इज व्हाट, माइनस 1/4, दिस इज व्हाट, प्लस 1/4 प्लस का c. So therefore c equal to 0. Finally we have come to this fx. What is fx? Is this is minus 1/4, correct? Minus 1/4 into x minus 1 का square, and this is plus 1/4 into x plus 1 का square, correct? Fine, correct है ना? Okay, now we have to find out f of 2. F of 2 is, okay, f of 2 will be 2 minus 1, that is 1. So this is minus 1/4 plus 1/2 plus 1, that is 3 का square. So this is what, 3 का square 9, 36 ना, 36. करेक्ट, करेक्ट है। तो एलसीएम आ जाएगा 4, 36, 4, 1, हाँ ओके। कुछ गड़बड़ है? लेट्स सी। ओके फाइन, x -1 -2 हो जाएगा, +1 करेंगे डिवाइडेड बाय -2, -1/4, दैट इज फाइन, देयर इज नो क्वेश्चन। सो हियर -1 + 1/4, x + 1 का स्क्वायर, x -1 का स्क्वायर माइनस के साथ में, x को मैंने कितना रखना है, 2 रखना है, 3 का स्क्वायर 36, ठीक है। इसका एलसीएम आ जाएगा 36, करेक्ट 36। तो ये हो जाएगा -9, ओके, प्लस का 1, तो दिस इज व्हाट, -8/36। सो कैंसल आउट करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 4/18, है ना, 4/18, करेक्ट है, करेक्ट है, करेक्ट है, 4/18। आपको 18f(2) चाहिए। सो देयरफॉर यहाँ पे माइनस है, माइनस, सो 18f(2), 18f(2) विल बी -4, और इसका अगर मॉड लेंगे तो आंसर आएगा 4। दिस इज योर आंसर, अंडरस्टूड? Okay, this is all about this lecture.